Welcome to the InsideTechnician.com. My name is Jeff Killian, and today I'd like to talk about getting it right in 2011 and what it takes to become a winning trader. 16 years ago, when I came in contact with this business, I was totally magnetized to the real possibilities of becoming a fully independent and financially secure trader. I sought out some of the best traders in the country, and the questions were always the same. What does it take? What do I need to do? What do I have to study? What's the most important thing? What's the key to success in this business? And the answers were always the same. You need a trading method, you need to be competitive, and you have to employ excellent money management techniques. They told me that I had to be in acceptance of my life and understand who I was, why I was here, and why I really wanted to trade. And that if I could do all that, I'd believe in myself, and I would become a successful trader. There's no doubt the world's changed a lot in the last 20 years, and it's no longer possible to work for a company, get a pension, and retire. And more than that, every year, year after year, the government seems to keep taking away the benefits from the participants who paid in. So what do? You take action. You empower yourself. You take control over your life and specifically your financial future. And I believe that you can do that by learning how to trade stocks. Trading is still the last frontier. It's the only business where a person can get into it for a small amount of capital and be successful. Now, anybody who's traded for even a short period of time know that there's a lot of different ways to trade. So now I have to ask you a question that I'd like you to ask yourself. If you knew, you really were sure, that a stock had already been bought up by institutions, pension funds, and insiders, the people that move stock prices, and it's about ready to make a substantial profitable move, would you buy it? If you answered yes, you're more than halfway there, because that's exactly what we teach. Our method is a structured, learnable, repeatable, time-proven, four-step process that we use on every trade we take, and it never changes. What worked 75 years ago, what worked 50 years ago, 20 years ago, worked last week on my most recent profitable trade. Every person has the ability to learn this method. What we do here is not that difficult. And in 2011, I want to open this business up to personal development, teaching people how to trade. We're going to have some courses. We'll do one-on-one. I'm here to do whatever's necessary to teach you this method, how to take more control over your finances and live the kind of life you want. And the kind of life that I believe you want is to be more financially independent and be able to do some of the things that you want to do with it. This is Jeff Killian for the InsideTechnician.com. I look forward to having you join us in 2011 and getting it right. Thank you for joining me tonight.